The Baptists who enjoy good and forbid evil will enter. This is due to Allah, the leader who is conducting this wonderful festival, the teacher who educates us, the mother, the elder. I have now come to tell you the paradise that Allah can give us. 8 types of heaven: Da'ul Jalal, Da'ul Salam, Jannatul Mawa, Jannatul Khuld, Jannatul Na'im, Da'ul Harar, Jannatul Firdaus, Jannatul Adan. Da'ul Jalal is the paradise where the prophet, messenger, martyrs and donors will enter. Da'ul Salam is the paradise where the pious who perform ablution properly and pray with reverence will enter. Jannatul Mawa is the paradise where those who give zakat will enter. Jannatul Khuld is the paradise where the Baptists who enjoy good and forbid evil will enter. The righteous who have restricted ancestors and acted rightly will enter. The paradise called Jannatul Naim. The righteous who have performed Hajj and Umrah will enter. The paradise called Da'ul Harar. The righteous who have fought for Islam will enter. The paradise called Jannatul Firdaus. The righteous who have abstained from what is forbidden by God and lived according to what's in Sunnah of their leader will enter. The paradise called Jannatul Adan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah.